Machiegni kendo migao mar omenda e pacho ka okwa mondo sirtend Kauntis gi omenda mar konyo gi chulo gope ming'ado jotije mar chulo chenro mochuno mag sirikal. Kolo oseromo ma higa ka higa e kaunti ma Isiolo, jadatije mar County Pension Fund kata CPF Hosea Kilisi owacho ni omenda ming'ado jotije go to ok chwal e aguchegi sani osekunore nyaka milionde mag omenda. Deko kata koso chwalo chudo gi omedo ni hinyo ngima jotije ming'ado sachgi, komedo ni bad migao no bende koro ni marach kalore kod gope mosekunore mamono gi chwalo chenro mag gi makare. Jakom riwruog Gavana Samed Abdullahi ojiwo Kauntis mondo ne ni chudo go chwal e sa makare.
What is the challenge with getting our remittances which were not paid by the previous local authorities? You know, the ones which are now defunct. But also we have a challenge with our county governments now. They have not fulfilled their obligations. They pay salary and not pay the pension contributions on time, or sometimes not at all. So we have accumulated quite a lot of money in all the three schemes. We have quite a huge figure, roughly around 50 billion. But we have also been engaging with our employers and the National Treasury, and I think we have put some formula of how to get it resolved.
It is criminal under the law to deduct someone's salary and not remit it to the administrators or the fund managers. And the challenge we're having is because this has been a practice that has happened over a long time, arrears have been accumulated. And we're working with all the stakeholders to see how best to clear those arrears.
Pinyo ng'acho timo siniani emedo yuto mar jodak e alwora manyan